हाय व्यूअर्स। आज हमारा टॉपिक है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। द वर्ड एंडोप्लाज्मिक मीन within the cytoplasm. The word reticulum means network. The endoplasmic reticulum consists of network of membranous tubule and sac called cisternae. The endoplasmic reticulum are extensive in cell. They are composed of more than half of the total membrane in many eukaryotic cell. The endoplasmic reticulum membrane separate the cisternae space from the cytosol. The endoplasmic membrane is continuous with the nuclear envelope at one end. The space between two membranes of nuclear envelope is continuous with the cisternae space of endoplasmic reticulum. There are two distinct regions of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, other is rough endoplasmic reticulum. The cytoplasmic surface of smooth endoplasmic reticulum lack ribosomes, so they are known as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum of various cell type function in diverse metabolic processes like synthesis of lipids, carbohydrate metabolism, detoxification of drug and other poisonous. The function are synthesis of lipid. Enzyme of smooth endoplasmic reticulum are important for synthesis of fat, phospholipids, steroids, and other lipids. They produce steroids. The steroids are sex hormone. The cell of the testes and ovaries are rich in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These cells synthesize and secrete steroid hormone. सेकंड हमारे पास है कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म. Liver store carbohydrate in the form of glycogen. The hydrolysis of glycogen releases glucose from the liver. The hydrolysis is important in the regulation of sugar concentration in the blood. All these reactions take place in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Detoxification of drugs हमारे पास है third one. The enzyme of smooth endoplasmic reticulum detoxify the drug and other poisons in liver cell. Hydroxyl group is added during detoxification. It increases their solubility. स्टिमुलेशन ऑफ मसल कंट्रैक्शन, ये हमारे पास चौथा फंक्शन है. द एंडोप्लाज्मिक मेम्ब्रेन pumps calcium ion from the cytosol into the cisternae space. The muscle cell is stimulated by nerve impulse. Calcium leak back across the endoplasmic reticulum membrane into the cytosol. It trigger contraction of the muscle cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosome are attached on the cytoplasmic surface of the membrane of rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum appear rough through electron microscope. Ribosomes are attached to the cytoplasmic side of outer membrane of nuclear of envelope. The membrane is continuous with rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum perform following function in the cell. First one is protein synthesis. Many type of specialized cells secrete protein produced by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. For example, white blood cell in human and other vertebrates secrete antibodies. Protein from secretion are synthesized by ribosome attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The polypeptide chain grow and enter through the endoplasmic reticulum membrane into the cisternae space. The protein enter the cisternae space and it is folded. Most secretory protein are glycoprotein. In this case, protein are covalently bonded to carbohydrate in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The secretory protein are wrapped in the membrane of vesicles. They are budded from a specialized region called transitional endoplasmic reticulum. Such vessels are called transport vesicle. Second हमारे पास इसका फंक्शन है membrane production. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane factory. It grows by adding protein and phospholipid. They are inserted into endoplasmic reticulum membrane itself. The enzyme present in the rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize their membrane from the phospholipid and protein. The endoplasmic reticulum membrane can be transferred into the cell membrane in the form of vesicles. Thanks for watching.